Hey, it's Todd, your favorite roofer, Sunbelt Roofs, coming to you from past Christian, Mississippi. We're maybe a quarter mile off the Gulf Coast here, checking out this winter home for some people. Doesn't look bad on the surface, but it looks like they use 3-tab shingles for their hip and ridge, which just aren't as strong. You can see this one's broken. The underlying nail isn't silicone. A lot of them are starting to come loose. You can start to see fiberglass mat wearing through. Somebody's done a little bit of maintenance on this. It doesn't look horrible on initial glance, but starting to show signs of age. This is probably a builder grade shingle originally. You can see these marks. A tab broke off from wind damage. Other little marks, probably flying debris impacted the roof. But you can see too that that's damaged. That's definitely not good. There's actually several places here that have missing tabs. There's one down there on the front. It's an indication they're getting weak. And there's another one. The adhesive lines from the shingle from up underneath it blew and broke off. Another real concerning issue, this spot here, right at the top of the ridge, well, between the hips. Rotten plywood, been leaking there someplace, and now the wood decking's rotten, so we gotta definitely address that. Starting to see the ridge shingles starting to get a crack in them. Just somewhat signs of normal aging. Granular retention is actually pretty good. It's hard to tell the guy needs a new roof, but needs to be on his radar soon. It'll be up to him whether he wants to do a repair and kick the can down the road or go ahead and get a good roof. Again, proximity to the Gulf, we get a storm in here, even a small storm, he's gonna have a fair amount of damage. So we'll give him his options, see what he wants to do. Again, Todd, your favorite roofer from Sunbelt Roofs, past Christian, Mississippi. Until next time.